DesignEvo Logo Maker Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume creating a professional logo requires a designer, but DesignEvo lets anyone make custom logos quickly using an online platform. DesignEvo offers thousands of templates, icons, and fonts to build logos for businesses, startups, and personal brands. One standout feature is its drag-and-drop interface, which is simple enough for beginners, but flexible enough for more advanced users. Most people get this wrong. They think DIY logos always look cheap. The surprising truth is that with the right template and customization, DesignEvo can produce polished, professional-looking logos suitable for websites, social media, and print. Another advantage is affordability. DesignEvo provides free basic downloads and low-cost premium options for high-resolution or vector files, which saves money compared to hiring a designer. However, there are considerations. Overused templates may make logos look less unique, and branding experts recommend ensuring your logo aligns with your overall brand strategy. Customization is key to standing out. In conclusion, DesignEvo is an accessible and cost-effective solution for creating logos quickly. For small businesses or startups on a budget, it's a practical tool to get professional-looking branding without hiring a designer. Subscribe for more honest design tool reviews before creating your next logo.